I'm Elizabeth Long, and I'm the Director of Conservation Science here at the Mohonk Preserve. A lot of what we do is ongoing, long-term natural history observation. We've got a daily record of weather data that stretches back to 1896. Since the 1970s, we've been taking samples of the lake water at Mohonk Lake twice a day, as well as at Lake Awasting and Lake Minnewaska. We do those every couple of weeks. We also measure acid rain with every precipitation event that happens. We do phenology studies. Phenology is the study of the timing of natural history events. And this was started in the 1920s by Daniel Smiley when he was a schoolboy. His teacher got him started recording the dates that birds returned from migration in the spring. He started noting these down, and we continue this practice today. We've got over about 300 species that we record phenological events for now. And so this is a really great data set to have in conjunction with the weather. The research that's carried out by the Conservation Science Department has been going on since the late 1800s, and we use it really in all aspects of our programming here. We use the conservation science data in our education programming. We use it to help inform our land management and our land stewardship practices. And so because of this, it's not only this incredibly long-standing and important research data set, but it really underpins everything that we do here at the preserve. It's really in the past decade or so that the value of that data set has been realized. People hadn't even thought of climate change at the time that this data set was started. And now it turns out to be this incredibly powerful record to look at changes around us in the natural world. We also are able to share it with other groups on the ridge. So we're talking to Minnewaska State Park, with the Nature Conservancy, with a lot of other conservation groups in the area about how we can utilize this data set for conservation and for land management.